Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahyan and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a agency website using WordPress and Elementor free version. Free means we don't need buy any themes or plugin or we use all free resources. So here is our example site and our site will be multi-page. That means this is various pages. Okay, so let's check our demo site. So first we have a top bar like email and phone number, and at the right side we have a social icon links. We have our logo part, and at the right side we have our menu part like home page, about page, services page, teams page, testimonials page, and finally contact page. Then we have a banner part. Banner we have a title and subtitle and two button like learn more or contact us. Then we have a about us section for summaries. At the left side we have subtitle, title, few text and a button. And the right side we have a few images regarding to this agency. Then we have why chose as option. First we have section title. Then he few box according to why chose as few text and title icon. Then we have testimonials. Basically we show 4 testimonials here. While user click here, it redirect to testimonial page to show all testimonials. Then we have a counter part. This whole part will be automatically counted here. Then we have our team section. So here just showcase our 4 members. When user click here, view all teams, there is show all team members. Then we have a client section. Here we can showcase here our client logo. Those clients we work with them. Then we have a call to action part. We can here just a title, subtitle, and a button part. And finally we have a footer part. So footer have 4 columns like logo, few text, and social link. Then quick links, opening hours, and get in touch part. And finally our copy text. So this is our overview of home page. Then click here about section, then redirect to our about page. So as like same home page, we have our top bar and header is same, and we add new part which is called breadcrumb. That means user easily understand they are currently in which page. So then we have a about section as our home page. Then why choose a section like home page. Then testimonial section, then counter section, meet teams, and client section. So here is one thing when you create a multi-page. So basically inner page is almost same to our home page. Then go to services page, and here as top bar our header part, then breadcrumb part, and here showcase our services section. Here is 6 services. There so icon, heading, and paragraph. Then as counter section and testimonials and our call to action part. Then go to team section. In this page we will showcase all our team members like here their image, their name, designation, social icon, etc. Here is, and at the bottom we have call to action part. Then go to testimonials. In this page we will showcase all our testimonials, that means all our client review we can showcase here. And finally we have contact page. In this page user can easily contact with us. Like at the left side we have our email address, contact address, that's the phone number, address, and the right side we have contact form, and there Google Map and call to action and footer. So basically this is our company website overview, and we will make agency website. And in professional life all users like very similar, simple and light website. It is very easy to navigate and understand. So from next part we will start our work. So let's go. So for started work, I already installed WordPress in my server. That's been nahyan.com/agency, and here I just install WordPress, nothing else. And when I make this video, current WordPress version 6.2. So when if this version updated, don't worry about this. It will be work finding, no problem here. So first we need to our basic themes, plugins, and settings part. So first go to here our settings to general. So we can change site title like agency website for dummy purpose. Then here slogan like one stop solutions. That's for time purpose. Here everything remains same, subscriber, okay. And time zone, here I am currently in Asia, so I just in Bangladesh and I chose UTC plus 6. So just click here and everything remains same, okay. Click save changes. Then go to permanence and here choose post name and here save changes. That's fine. Now go to our appearance to themes part. So for this project we use Elementor basic theme, that means hello Elementor, this theme hello, and you can just search here hello and you can find this. So just click here install and this theme will be installed in our server, okay. And just click on activated. That's fine, okay. There's attention to the hello Elementor because they need much Elementor, okay, fine. Go to our plugins to add new. So we need first 3 plugins. So first we install Elementor. So search here Elementor. This plugin install now. Okay, activate. And we don't need anything here. Just cross this sign. Okay. By the way, we use Elementor free version. Then we need our another plugin. For header footer builder, we can search Elementor header. Just search Elementor header and file Elementor header footer builder. So just click on install now. Okay, click activate. And finally, we need another plugin. For contact page, we need another plugin which is called WP Forms. WP Forms and just click install now. Okay, click on activate. That's fine. So we install all our necessary themes and plugins. Now we can start our next part. So before our making header footer, we need to create all pages. So we need 5 pages: home, about, services, teams, testimonial, contact. Okay. So from here, I just click on all pages. So just right click and open new tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. Okay. Just start right here, home. Okay, and click publish. Then we have about. After about page, we can just write services page. Services, publish. Then we can write here teams, then publish, remove this page. Then testimonials, click publish, and finally contact page and click here publish. Okay, fine. So we created all our pages. If you refresh the pages here, okay, all done. Now go to settings and reading. We can choose our your home page display. So we chose static page to our home page. That's fine. And now we need to assign our menus part. So click here appearance to menus and just write here like main menu and location header. Okay, so from view all we can just write home, about, contact, services, teams, testimonials. Click add to menu. Okay, and we can rearrange all the menu. Last is contact part, then about, services, team, testimonial. That's fine. Click on save menu. So we done all necessary part. So from next part we will make our this header part and footer part. As this part is common for all pages, so we first done header and footer. So let's start. So in this part we'll make our common header and footer. So go to appearance to Elementor header and footer builder and click here add new. Okay, and right here like first we made header. Okay, then type of template we select header part. Okay, display on. So we chose entire website. That means this header part show all pages at the top bar. Okay, and everything same. Click on publish and click on edit with Elementor. So this page will open with Elementor. Okay, we can remove this part. So before we can change a few common settings. So click here size settings, global colors. So our global colors will be this color, that means our primary color. So we can choose this color. Secondary color we can choose #333. Then text color we can choose same #333. Then accent color we can choose for now #333. If we need changes we'll do it later. Then global fonts. So primary fonts we can choose our Poppins font, Poppins. And secondary we all chose all font our Poppins font. Okay, then text as same Poppins. It save our lots of time. So we don't need every time change our font family or font size, everything. Just right here Poppins. If you need changes we'll do it later. No, don't worry about this. Click on update. Okay, fine. And just cross this sign. So if you check here in header part, first way 2 part, at the top bar 2 column. So just click here plus icon and we can choose this equal column. Okay, then we can choose here list. So just here list item and just paste here. Okay, inline. And first we can copy this email and first list item just paste here, and link we can just write here mail to. Okay, and remove this space. Search for icon we can search envelope, this icon. Okay, then we can remove last part, and we have phone number. We can copy this phone number and here paste. Search for phone icon, just insert this part. Okay, and we can copy this part here and just write here tel colon this number. Okay, and we don't have any spaces, so remove all space from here, just like this. Okay, fine. Then we have add a list. Search for list item. We can inline, and at the section we can click here and choose vertical align middle. That's fine. And advanced we can choose padding like 10 pixel, bottom 10 pixel. Okay, fine. And click here. So first we don't need any text, so icon change like Facebook, this icon. Then if we just write here hash icon for linking, then we have like Twitter icon. Remove this text. For now just write hash. You can change link later. Like Instagram, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, remove this text and just write for hash now. Another item we can choose YouTube and just write here hash and remove this text from here. Okay, fine. And now go to style part, alignment right. We can space between like 5, divider on we can space more. Okay, and then we can icon color, we can choose icon color to secondary color, and hover color we can choose our primary color. That's fine. Now click here icon part, we can choose divider on, space like 20 pixel. Okay, icon color we can choose icon color secondary color, and our font family I think it remains same, font family Poppins. This okay. And at the section parent we can style and add border solid. So unlink this value and only border bottom 1 pixel and change color to like hash #D. That's fine. Click on update and change preview part. Okay, it's perfectly done. Okay, that's nice. Now our second part, our menu part. So click plus icon, we can choose this part. So first we need logo, so just drag and drop image part. So already I uploaded all images regarding to website, so already we can choose this logo and select. And from here alignment we can choose left align. That's fine. Go to section part, and here advanced, we can choose padding top 10, bottom 10. Okay, then we can search for menu. We can search for menu part, this navigation menu, and drag and drop here. So at the section common our section layout, we can choose vertical align middle. Okay, so click on menu part and layout, then we can right alignment. Okay, go to style part, space between like 35, and here we can just resize this part. We don't need more spaces like this. Yes, and horizontal padding, we can remove this part like 0. That's fine. If we choke here, yes, or we can increase like 5. Okay, then go to normal color, same hover color, we can choose hover color to our primary color. Yes, and if you click on active color change to our primary color. So when when any page active, this I am link color will be our primary color. So click on update and changes. I think that's fine, and here everything our same. Okay, one thing, if you remove this part, okay, I think that's okay. Just click on update. Okay, now this part is remain same. If you check our demo site, yes, that's perfect. And click here hover part, done. Now we will do it our footer part. So this call to action is attached to our footer part. So this part is visible to all pages. So remove this part and refresh the page. So our header done. So click here another one, add new. Just write here footer, type or template. We can choose footer part, display on entire website. Click publish and edit with Elementor. So first we need a section, so just section add, then we can go to style part and background image. So already I uploaded all images, so this image will be our background image. So select this image, then we can choose position, center, display, cover. Then go to advanced and unlink this value, padding top 80, padding bottom 80. Now we need this text. So here after year we need a break part. So here we can add a heading part and paste. So after year we can add a BR HTML tag. That's fine. Alignment center and go to style part. We can choose color to our now need our white color. Okay, white change. Font size like 50 pixel. Okay, text transform capitalize. Line height like 50 pixel. Okay, or like 60. Okay, if you check here, we need maybe more line height like 70. Okay, I think almost same. Okay, like 65. Okay, fine. And font weight like 700. That's fine. Now we need this text, so copy from here. So here we can choose another heading. Okay, but we change this tag to p tag. Paste here. So here after device we can add a break tag. Alignment center, then go to style part. We can choose color to white color. Okay, then font family poppins. Okay, we can font size 20 pixel and line height like 30 pixel. Okay, and this part we can choose here font weight 400 as is paragraph. Text transform capitalize. That's fine. If you check, yes. Now we need a button, so we can choose a button this part, alignment center. Okay, and checks let's get started. Okay, so change here let's get started, and we can choose icon library. We can choose arrow, so we can choose this long arrow. Yes, this long arrow, and click insert. So icon position will be after and space like 10 pixel. Okay, go to style part, and here our font family background color. So our background color change to primary color. Then we can choose padding, top bottom, top 10, bottom 10, right 40 pixel, left 40 pixel. Okay, fine. Then typography, we can choose font size like 18 pixel. Okay, text transform capitalize, and anything else. If you check here, yes, I think we can increase some pairing here, like not 10, we can 15, I think will be best. So just right here 15. Yes, that's nice. And when hover, so hover we can color here, we can copy this color, and hover background color we can choose this color. Okay, that's nice. Click on update. If you font weight, okay, same, and preview this page. Okay, this part perfectly done. Now at the bottom here is our 4 column. So here click here plus icon and just write 4 icon. So first we go to advanced and padding. So we can choose top 80, bottom 80. So first we need this text, social icon and logo. Okay, fine. So we can just drag and drop our image part. So already we upload logo. So this logo, alignment left. We can choose a heading part, but we change this HTML tag to p tag. Okay. Then we need social icon. Search for social icons. Alignment left. Okay. So first we change this color. So color to change to our text color. Then font family like 16 pixel or font weight 400 yes, and we can choose 16. Line height like 22. Okay, for now it's remains same, we do later. So just here quick links. So second column we add a heading and change HTML tag to h4 and just paste here. Change color to our text color. Okay, I think size we can size adjust here. So for now we can 16 pixel, 20 pixel, 22 pixel, yes. Then we need switch menu part. So just right here menu and just paste here, yes. And from here it's main menu, we can choose another menu as you wish. And from layout we can choose layout to vertical, and then we can choose style part. So we can this padding no spaces need, we can decrease this padding like 10. Yes, that's same. And here our hover active color, so we don't need any active color, so you can just write here transparent. We can remain same, we'll do it later. And here I think it's okay, hover color, yes. So hover color change to primary color, that's fine, that's look nice. And here we can I think increase some font size 24, yes. Click on update. Then we have opening hours, so we can copy this text and paste and change text to opening hours. And here we can just here again list part. So here list, and here we can choose Monday, Tuesday this text. So copy from here and click here, and we can choose clock icon. Then we can this Friday to Saturday. We can search for clock. And finally we have Sunday close. Just paste here again clock. Okay, now this design part, go to style, divider on, and here with style same. Okay, space between we can choose like 10 pixel. Okay, fine. Go to icon, we can choose icon color to secondary color, and everything remains same. I think that's perfect. Again copy this part and here we can paste. So our last part, get in touch, that means our address. So again need our social icon, sorry, list icon, list part. So search for list. Okay, so first we have address, so copy this address from here and search for map icon. Then we have phone number. Right, for phone. Then third one will be our mobile number. So again here search for mobile icon, mobile, and finally we have our email. Search for envelope. Okay, so you can copy from this style here and paste style, so will be our remain same and looking perfect. And check here, yes, that's nice, and I think this part is done perfectly. Okay, we can adjust our size, I think that's okay. And finally we have copyright text, copy from here. So here we can just one column and add a heading part and change text to our p tag and paste here. So before right here, copy 2023 or reserve text and center. Then go to style part, change to text color. Then typography, we can choose font family size 16 pixel, font weight 400, text transform capitalize. And here at the top we can reduce padding like 40 pixel. I think that's perfect. Click on update. So our footer part is done, and here we can add another padding. At the bottom we can choose like 50 pixel. Okay, nice. So we have a space at the bottom, and our header part done, our footer part done. So from next part we will start our making home page, and from start our banner part. So in this part we will start making our home page. So first we have a banner section. So go to our pages, and from home we can edit this page, and then we can click edit with Elementor. So this page will be Elementor page builder. Okay, so from settings part we can choose page layout to Elementor full width. So this will be just only header and footer will be shown here, that's fine. And then here click plus icon and one section, and if you check here we have this text. So copy this text from here, and from section style part, from here we can choose height fit to screen. Okay, go to style part and background, then image. So here we can choose our banner image. So which image? Maybe this one. Yes, this banner. And here we can size background size full. Okay, position center, and display size cover, that's fine. Then go to background overlay. We can choose classic and color to secondary color, and opacity like 0.8. Okay, fine. Now we can drag a heading part and just drag and drop heading and paste here. So here we can just write BR Tech break. Go to style part and change text to white color. Okay, typography copies, font size like 80 pixel, font weight 800. We can choose line height 80 pixel. Okay, then we can need this text. So copy this one, and again we can drag and drop at the heading and just paste here and change HTML tag to p tag. And after begin we can add here break tag. Okay, go to color and color change to white color. Font poppies, okay, font size like 20 pixel, font weight 400, line height we can choose like 30 pixel. Yes, that's fine. And we have two buttons. So already we make a button for our footer part, so we can use this one. So here we need add a inner section. So after this we can add inner section. Okay, So from appearance to Elementor header footer builder, and again I footer edit to Elementor because we need this button. So from this page we can easily copy from here. So just right click and copy. Okay, fine, and just right here paste. That's fine, and here that's paste. So here our element will be left and this element will be left. So we can just change to learn more, and here we can choose contact us, and we can adjust this part from here. So you can adjust this part here. Okay, I can do it again here. Something wrong here. Just paste here and paste and paste. So this icon will be left and this will be our left. Okay, and change to learn more, and here contact us, and resize this column. Okay, that's nice. And here if you check, by default this background color white color, primary color, and hover will be changed. Okay, so here we can just click here, go to style part, and here our background color change to white color and text color change to primary color. Okay, and hover, and when hover color will be changed to white color. Okay, that's nice. Click on update and preview changes. That's fine. If you hover, let's hover. Okay, so you can remove this footer part. Then we have our about section like this one, and we have two columns and images. So let's do it. So after this, click plus icon. So for now we can choose equal column. We can add adjustment later. And here if we check our footer part, this one, we can for footer we remain one part. We can just adjust here footer part. We can adjust this column from here. We can increase like this. Yes, now it's okay. Remove this part. Okay, so here first go to advanced padding, top 80, bottom 80, and from layout we can choose vertical align middle. That's fine. Now we can choose this subheading, copy this part, add a heading. So we can change text to like span tag. Okay, okay, span, or we can choose paragraph text. That's fine. Go to size, font size like 22 pixel, 24. I think 24. Okay, then we have this text. So copy this text from here and just drag and drop another heading. Change text to like H4. Okay, and go to style part and change color to text color, font size like 30 pixel, 26. Okay, line height 35. Okay, that's fine. We will adjust. Okay, we can increase something size like 30 pixel. I think 30 is okay. Yes, and line height 36, and we can this text. So copy this one, and here we can add another heading, but change tag to p tag. Okay, paste here, style, change color to our text color, font size weight 400, size like 20 pixel, 18, line height, Okay, and finally we need a button, so we can copy this button from here. Just copy, and here just right click and paste. So learn more. Okay, that's fine. Just click on update. Okay, that's fine. Now we have we can just copy this part, duplicate, and we can add the image part and duplicate this part. So our first image will be about 1. If we search this one about 3, this will be about banner, this is about 1. So copy this one and insert. Second image we can choose, it is about 2. Yes, just insert here. And first image we can go to style part and with 100%. Okay, and we can choose border type solid, border with 1 pixel, and color like hash triple D. So right click and copy, and right click and paste style. That's fine. And at the right side we need another image, so copy, just drag and drop image here. So our third image will be this one. Yes, about 3, and copy this here and paste style. That's nice. So we can adjust now column here, like we can, and here like this adjustment. Okay, I think that's okay. And here if we check here this font family, we can choose 500. Okay, 600 is okay. Text transform, capitalize. Okay, we can use capitalize here, and everything same. Yes, and here we can increase our line height here, can 26. Okay, now click on update and check here. Okay, boom, done. Now our next part is our why chose as section. Here we have section title, paragraph, and look here, this subtitle, title, paragraph, and this is same, so we can copy this from here. So after this we can add section. For first a full column, and then we can add inner section here and duplicate this part. So first is our section section title, so we can just 1 column, so we can copy this part from here and paste. Then this one copy, paste, and this text copy and paste. Okay, so our first text will be why us, so copy this text and paste here, alignment center. Then why chose us, so copy this from here and align center. And finally this text, after future we can add a break part, so here we can add a break, alignment center. So I think this part is done. We can increase some font size for this part, so go to style and font size like 22 pixel and line height 30. I think that's okay, fine. And we have this background color, so we can just inspect here and just eyedropper we can copy this color from here. Okay, so go to parent section, style, and background type we can choose color and paste here. And at the parent we can padding like top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel. That's fine. And we can our second section here, this one maybe missing, we can duplicate this part. And here we have 2 columns, so we can just remove this part, delete, delete, delete. So we can choose this one, duplicate 2 column. Okay, and section parent we can add margin top like 50 pixel. Okay, and choose for image, or they use icon. Yes, so we can choose for icon box. And if we choose here element right, go to style part And content, we can choose vertical align middle. Okay, go to advanced part, and here background, we can choose background type, color change to white color. And from padding, we can choose padding like 20 pixel. Okay, fine. And for our first this text, so copy this text from here, click here and paste this heading, and our text will be this one. Okay, fine. And of this icon, this may be fire icon, so you can search for fire. Yes, this icon. And we can first go to style part and choose primary color, that's fine. Font size, spacing, we can increase more like 20. Then content, we can choose content color, our text color. Font typography, okay, font size like 22 pixel, 26. Font weight is 500 or 600. Okay, text transform, capitalize. Spacing, we can choose alignment like 10. And finally our paragraph, we can choose font size like 16 pixel. Okay, that's okay. And I think that part is done, and we can add anything else here. You can click on update and check here. I think that's okay, and we can increase padding from here. So go to our this advanced part, unlink this value, so we can choose top 30, bottom 30. Okay, and from style part, content, we can choose font size 30. Yes, that's nice. And go to here advanced part, and we can choose border to box shadow, and here we can very light border, so 0.01. Click on update. Yes, we have very light and nice border. Okay, I think we can adjust this size more. Content, we can here typography, I think 20, 26, 28, perfect. Yes, line height, we can choose as 28, we can like 35. Yes, now copy this part and paste here, and duplicate this part. Okay, so at the top we don't need padding, so margin, so we can remove this part. Yes, so our next will be this text, so copy this one from here and just paste here, and our icon will be globe icon, so search for globe, so we can choose this icon. Then we have this text, our trophy icon, we can just search for trophy. And finally we have our rocket icon, search for rocket. Okay, and here is our size, I can just write 20 pixel, 20, 30, I think 36 is okay, or 30, 40. Okay, so copy this style and paste style, and paste here style and paste style. Okay, so this part is done. Click on update. Okay, this part done. Now our next part is our testimonials part. Okay, so let's start part. So already we have a left side is done as like this part. Okay, and right side, so we can one things, we can just duplicate this part. Okay, no problem. So here we can just plus icon, we can add two columns like this one. Go layout, vertical align middle. From advanced, we can choose padding top 80, bottom 80. So we can copy this from here one by one, so we will our work more easier. So just write paste this text, and here paste this text, and finally this button. Okay, now we can adjust this text. First for testimonials, so here testimonials, then this text and this paragraph, and we can increase font size. Like here currently 18, we can choose like 24, and font weight like 500. That's fine. Not 24, I think 400. Okay, yes, 22 till now. Yes, that's fine. And our text will be read all testimonials. Okay, copy this text and click here. Okay, and for the right side we need an inner section. We can just drag and drop here. Okay, so search for testimonials, so you can search for testimonials and drag and drop here, and we need an icon part, so search for icon and just paste here. Okay, so first we design this will be a quote icon, so just search here quote icon, and then we have a this text. Okay, text same, then Elijah Smith, you can copy this one. We can remove this part, and we can, our client image will be Elijah Smith, maybe this one. Yes, image 1. And we have product designer designation. Okay, alignment left, this icon alignment will be left. So go to style part, and font size we can increase. Okay, now go to style part, typography, font size, I think this will be perfect for this design, I think. Okay, go to image, we can border type solid, change one padding, color change to our primary color. That's fine. And here Elijah Smith and product designer, we can increase name, so color same, font size like 18 pixel 20, and here designation or title we can choose like 17 16 pixel. That's fine. And we can copy duplicate this part and remove this column from here, and this parent section we can add a padding here. Border solid width, we can choose border bottom 1 pixel, color #DDD, and advanced we can add padding bottom like 30 pixel and margin bottom 30 pixel. So duplicate this part. Yes, that's nice. And at the last column we don't need any border bottom, so just here we can remove just default, and from advanced we don't need margin bottom or padding bottom. That's fine. Now our second part, Carla Hanson, product designer, we can just remove this part, use this image name, then we have this one, product designer, we can choose this one name, and finally we can this one, we can choose this image and name change to this one. So if you click on update and check, hope about white chose, and this part is perfectly done. So our next part will be our counter section. Now we need to make our next part. So our next part will be a counter section with 4 columns. Okay, so here we can just plus icon and 4 columns, and here we can go to style part and background image. So we can choose this image again. Okay, select. Then we can choose background position, center, backsplash size, cover. Then go to advanced padding. We can choose top 50 pixel, bottom 50 pixel. So we can choose counter and counter section here. So first will be 150 plus happy clients. Okay, so we can just write here 150 plus happy clients. Okay, so first we finish the design. Color white color, Poppins font weight like 700, and then go to title, color to white color, and I think that's perfect. We can adjust font size. We can choose font size like 30 pixel. I think 50 is okay, 50 is okay, 55. So copy this part and paste here, paste, and here paste, and here paste. So our text will be 50 plus clients globally. So click here, 50 plus clients globally. Sorry, we can adjust this one. So third one, 100k users acquired. So just click here 100, change k to k plus, and finally we have awards win 15 plus. 15 plus awards win. Click on update and check here call to action part. Yes, that's nice, done. Now this is our teams part, and check here our section title is remain same. So we can want this, we can copy this part, duplicate this section. Okay, and we can just drag to bottom. Okay, that's nice. Again we can update this counter to top. This way we can work very easily and without any hard working. Okay, so first we don't need this background color, so go to style part, and this color we can reset. Yes, clear color, that's fine. Now themes, click here, then we have meet our themes, and next is the same. We need 4 columns, so we can just this remove this section and just delete and delete. So for team section we need image, we need heading, paragraph, social icons. So we can just one column. First we add image. So our first team is this one. Okay, then its name, so we can choose here name like this one. We can choose H4 alignment center. Then we can this text designation, so we can just right click and duplicate and paste this one, change tag to p tag, and then we have social icons. So search for social icons and paste this one. Sorry, just drag and drop here, and will be Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, that's fine. So we can just duplicate this part 4 times, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's nice. So our second image we can choose this way. So this one our second image. Third image this one. So click here. This will be our third image, and fourth will be this one. Fourth image this one. So we can first change their name and designation. Its name, designation, client service, then this Tina Markle, and here accountant, then finally Richard Collins. Client service, Okay, so first this one we can choose color, our primary color, yes. Then our title, font size like 26 pixel, that's fine. Font weight like 700 or 6 is perfect, 600. Text transform capitalize, and here yes, this one. Now product designer, go to style, change color to our text color. I think that's perfect. Line height we can choose 0, so it will remove space. Now social icon, so we can go to style part and official color to custom color, primary color to our text color. Okay, font size like 20 pixel or 18. Spacing we can add like 8 pixel. Okay, and margin top we can choose like 30 pixel. Just click on update and check our demo part. Okay, there's okay, we can increase size more like 16 pixel and top to like 20, that's fine. Now copy here, copy and just paste style, paste style, paste style. Now for this one, copy and paste style, and paste style, paste style, paste style. Now for this one, we one thing, for icon, go to style part and we can choose our icon hover color, and we can hover color change to primary color, that's main, or hover grow. Nice. Now copy this part and go to paste style and paste style. Okay, click on update and check here, that's fine. And lastly we have button view all teams. So for this we can add a new column and one column, and from button we can choose this one, copy and paste. Alignment center change to view all teams, that's fine. Click on update. Okay, that's nice. And we can one things, for this section you have any margin 50, top 50. So for the parent section advanced, so we can choose padding bottom 40 pixel. So this will be adjustment and margin bottom 40 pixel, sorry. So click on update. Okay, that's nice. Now our last home page last part, this one. So already left side is done, we can need to right side. Okay, so here plus icon we can choose this one, and from here we can again copy this part, paste, then we have copied this one, paste, and finally this one. And we have background color, so from background color we can color copy from here, style, color copy, and here we can just choose here padding, so we can choose top 80, bottom 80, and margin top 80. Go to style part and here background type color change to this color, that's fine. Now text, first our plants, then we can choose this text, and finally we have this text. Paste this one and we can decrease font size something like, okay, nice. Now we need an inner section, so just drag and drop inner section here, and for the parent we can layout, we can choose vertical align middle, and here we have 3 columns, so we can just right here duplicate, and we need image, image here, this one, yes, and choose image from here, our client, like first one, this one, and go to style with 100%. Then hover effect, we can choose hover grow. Okay, so copy this part and paste and duplicate this column. Okay, so our next second image will be like this one, sorry, this one, like third image, this one, fourth image, circle, fifth, like this one, and finally our sixth image. Gold line. Okay, that's fine. Click on update and refresh the page, and at the bottom, okay, that's nice. So finally our home page is perfectly done, and we have to here one thing to remain, because this active color is not looking nice. So here we can just go to again footer, Elementor header footer builder, and here this item we can choose here style. From active color we can choose our text color, this will be okay, and here refresh the page, yes, nice, this is one. So our home page is done. So from next part we will make our other page. So from home page, then services, teams, testimonials, and contact. So in this part we'll make our about us section. So click on just about page, so nothing else. So just click on edit with Elementor or edit page first, and just click on edit with Elementor. And if you check our about us page, so go to here about page and check demo. So first we need a breadcrumb part. So here go to settings part, and here choose our Elementor full width. Okay, Elementor full width, and need one column. So click on plus icon and one column. So go to background and here image. So choose image. So we use banner this one background part, and go to here position, center, display size, cover, background overlay. So we can choose text color to text color, and opacity like 0.8. okay, padding we can choose padding top like 50, bottom 50. Now we need this text, so copy this one and we drag and drop a heading part and paste one. Alignment center, estimate H4. Go to style part, color change to white color. Font size we can choose like 22 pixel. Sorry, we don't need any strict here. Just increase size. We just need 40, this one, okay, or increase more 50. Now we can choose another icon, list. Drag and drop here, inline. Then first one will be our home. We don't need any icon, okay. Second one we can just remove text and change to our dot icon, this icon. And finally we can choose here like about us and remove this icon. Okay, go to style part, alignment center, icon color we can choose icon color to white color. Then text color we can choose text color to white color, and here we can increase some font size like 20 pixel. Okay, font weight 500. That's perfect. Click on update and preview changes. Then we need this part we already done in our home page, so we can just copy from home easily. So here pages, just click on edit with Elementor. So if you make a home page fully, then inner page is work is very easily, just copy and paste. So from here we can just copy from this parent section, right click and copy. Okay, and here just right click and paste. Boom. So it is fully show here. Then our why chose us, so already we have in home page, so we can copy this part why chose, copy from here and paste here. Okay, done. Then we have our testimonials part, so we can copy testimonials from this one, from here, copy and paste here. Then we have our counter section, so we can copy from this counter from here and paste here. Then we have our meet our teams part, so from here we can choose meet our team, about us, why chose, counter section, meet our team section. Okay, so copy this part from here and paste. And finally we have also this one, view all teams, so we need to copy this part, copy and paste. And finally we have this one, our client section, so we can copy this from here, copy and paste here. So finally our about page done. Click on update, we can remove this page and check here, so about page is perfectly done now. Now our next page will be our services page. Click on services, so here we can just go to dashboard to pages, our services page, click on edit services and here edit with Elementor. So here settings we can choose Elementor full it. So first to it our breadcrumb part, so from copy from here this breadcrumb and paste here. So first change to services and this text home services. Okay, and check here we have 3 columns like this. Okay, so for this we can class icon and 3 columns, add burst, add padding, top 80, bottom 80. Then we can use image box, so already image box, so already I upload all service images. So this one, so our first image was this beige icon, so this beige, insert. Then website development, click here. Then finally our this text. So first one we can just design this part, edit image box, go to advanced, padding we can choose 25 pixel, 25 or 20 pixel I think. Okay, then go to border and we can choose box shadow and very light box shadow, so we can choose opacity 0.1. So click on update and preview page. Okay, fine. Now go to this design part, go to style, image width we can choose like 15, 20. Yes. Border type solid, border color we can choose primary color with 1 pixel, border radius we can choose pixel to percentage and choose 50%. That's nice. Now this content part we can choose here text color. Yes, we can choose text color, spacing like 10, 15, and typography we can choose for 26 pixel. Okay, and the same. Okay, just copy this part and paste and paste. Again duplicate this section, and this section we can add border top, border style, border, border type solid, weight, border top 1 pixel, color like hash triple D. Okay, now we can adjust all images of here. We have border maybe 2 pixel, 2 will be perfect. So copy style and paste style, paste style, again paste style, paste style, and paste style. Okay, so mobile app development. So our next will be mobile app development. Okay, I think adjustment size. Okay, no problem. So mobile app development will be this icon. Then business strategy, click here. We can choose this icon. Then we have social media marketing, this one. Then we have user research, we can use this icon. And finally we have product research, product launch. So for launch, this icon. Okay, again we can adjustment our design part, so we can choose border like 3 pixels, yes. And our content size, currently it was 26, we can 24. Okay, fine. Copy style, paste style, paste style, paste again style, and paste style, paste style. Click on update and check. That's fine, perfect. Now our next part is counter session. So already done, so you can copy from our home page. So just copy this one and paste. Then we have testimonials part, so we can copy testimonials from here. So just paste here. Okay, and finally, okay, so it is done. So click on update and okay, so our service page is done. So our next part will be our team's testimonial and contact. So now we need our next page, team page. So click on team page. Okay, then just click on edit page and just click on edit with Elementor. So if you check our team page, go to teams and check our 4 item for 8 members. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is our about page. Okay, maybe we forget one this. Go to home page again, edit Elementor. We just forget to add this border, right? Okay, so we can do this now. So go to team section, click this click this column, go to style, then border. We can choose border solid, just only border right, just 1 pixel. Okay, and color like #D. So if you hide this panel, so just add a border here. Okay, like this one. Okay, so just copy this here, paste style, paste style. Okay, update and hide panel. Okay, that's nice. So for team page, first go to settings part and we can choose Elementor full width, and now we need our breadcrumb part. So from here we can just paste and just write here teams and click here teams. Okay, fine. Click on update. Now if you have 4 columns, okay, so here from just copy this part, copy and duplicate, and from here we can choose here our other members, and we have a border top, so we can choose here style, border solid, only border top 1 pixel, color #D. So go to advanced part and hide this panel. Okay, and we can choose this section layout to our full width. Okay, so a box shape, and we can stretch structure estimate tag, column height, overflow. Okay, actually no problem. And here our other team member, like this one, we can copy this one, and here you can remove this part and click here. So image will be this one. Now Eric Watford, change his image. Then we have Radha Piari. We can choose this image. And finally this one, Charles Tande. Okay, copy this one, and his description was client service. Okay, we can remain same. So I think our team part is done. Okay, click on team page and preview pages, teams. Okay, so our team page perfectly done now. Okay, that's nice. Okay, got it. And here we can add a I think border top will be more nice. Border solid, only 1 pixel top, color HTTP. Okay, that's nice. And here this last part we can choose padding bottom. So we can choose padding bottom 80 pixels. So here will be added a stage space. So our team page done. So our next part will be our testimonial. So if you check our testimonial page design, here are 6 members with session title. Okay, fine. So just click here, edit page, and edit with Elementor. So from here settings to, we can change our page layout, Elementor full width. So from testimonials we can copy this section here and paste. So here if you check here, and we need a breadcrumb part, copy, plus icon and paste. Just write here testimonials, and here okay. So parent section we can add padding top 80, bottom 80. Style we can choose border solid, only border bottom 1 pixel, and color will be HTTP. That's nice. And here section, okay, section color, just write we can border bottom. Okay, just duplicate this part and duplicate. So this second section, if you check here, we don't need here padding top, and this one we can remove this padding bottom. Yes, that's perfect. If you hide this panel, okay, we can add section top, maybe border. Yes, then we, if you check here, style, border, so we don't need this border here. Okay, fine. Hide this panel. Okay, something wrong here. Okay, find it. We add a maybe border bottom. If you check here, this column maybe style, border, default, advanced, or here advanced, border, something is come from here, this border. Okay, or is come from this section. Yes, style, border, we don't need this border here. Yes, this, remove this part. Okay, and go to parent section, style, border, border solid, we can choose border bottom. Yes, that's nice. Same for our second part. We can go to style, border, we can remove default, hide this panel. Yes, this done. And here advanced, padding bottom 80. Okay, fine. And here padding top 80. That's perfect. Okay, now this is perfectly okay. Now here we can choose name and image, Carlos Hanson, our fourth item. Okay, this one. 1 2 3. We can choose image from this one. Then we have this one. This image. Then we have this one. And finally we can this one. And this one. Okay, our tester page done. Click on update and preview changes. Okay, so testimonial part is perfectly done now. So our final page will be a contact page. So click on contact page and click on edit page. And here before this, if you go to our contact page, we need a contact form. Yes, this one. So go to already installed W forms, go to all forms, and here click add new. So let's go. So we can just add a simple contact form. Just use this template. Okay, fine. We can use this one. So just modify this part some. Just go to advanced and field size large. Okay, so it will full width. Then second width advanced. We can choose large, and this will already large. Done, and click on save button. So our this part is done. Go to contact page, edit with Elementor. So go to settings part and default to our Elementor full width. So we need this section title. So copy this part and just paste here. So just write here, contact us. Just paste here. Just click here, plus icon, advanced, padding, top 80, bottom 80. Okay, so this part already done in our home other pages. So from here we can copy from here, this one, copy and paste. Then here copy, paste, and this one. And from here we can just write contact, then get in touch, and finally this one. Okay, and now we can choose icon box just here. So alignment will be left. Then style, we can choose content. We can at the vertical alignment middle. That's fine. Go to advanced. We can choose margin top 30 pixel. Okay. Go to style box. We can choose advanced, border solid, and border bottom 1 pixel. HTTP. Okay. And layout, padding bottom like 30 pixel. If you hide this panel, yes, that's nice. Now first we have email. So copy this one, envelope, and paste this one. Then we have a contact. Contact, that means phone number. And here and finally address. We can choose map marker. And here paste. Okay, fine. Go to here style part. We can choose font size, like icon size 50 pixel, 22. Okay, and here we can spacing, we can like 20 pixel. Go to content part and color need to change test to test color. Then typography, font size 22, text transform uppercase, margin bottom 0, okay, or 5 pixel. Then here we can copy this part, paste style, paste style, and here we don't need this margin top. Again here advanced. Okay, fine. So click on update. So this place is done. That's perfect. Now for right side, we can drag and drop here WP forms. So we can just drag and drop here and choose form, simple contact form. From advanced, we can layout, go to vertical align middle. Okay, and for background color, we can copy color from here. Okay, color from here. This column style. Okay, fine. Go to advanced padding. We need right 30, left 30. Click on update. Okay, so our this part done, and lastly we need a form. That means our Google Map. So just search for map Google Map. For now we can use this one, and from section we can choose full width stretch section, and from this icon we can advanced, remove margin, remove padding. From column advanced, remove padding, remove margin. That's fine. This is real full width now. Okay, so our full site is perfectly done now. Click on home page. Our home page done. Then go to our about page. This page done. Then services. This page is perfectly done. Now team page perfectly done now. Testimonial done, and finally contact page. So this is page perfectly done. Now we need to last part, we check to responsive, and every page check responsive on mobile, tablet and other devices. So let's start. So in this part we will make our all page responsive and check. So first go to our edit with home page. First check home page is okay or not. So edit with Elementor here. Okay, so go to here responsive mode and first check our mobile part. What's happened is if you click here, this one is too large. So go to style part, and style part we can choose like 40 pixel, line height like 40 pixel. Okay, I think it's same. Okay, this part okay, this part okay. This part we can style part, go to font size like 16 pixel, line height 22 pixel, and this part is okay, this is okay, this part done. Okay, equal okay, this part, and again we can go to style part and change font size like 16 pixel, like 22 pixel. Okay, this is done, this part done. Here our footer, header footer part. Okay, so this is part is done now. If you check our tablet version, I think tablet is okay. Yes, tablet is perfect. So click on update, go to appearance elementor header footer builder, and first go to edit with elementor footer part, and go to responsive mode, and here we can choose first mobile first. So here we can reduce font size, go to style, here we can choose 30 pixel, here we can choose 30, and here we can choose pixel. Okay, that's same, it's okay, that's perfect. Yes, so our footer part is done, and go to our elementor header part, and here we can choose our mobile responsive mode. Here we can choose here alignment like center. Okay, divider off, and here logo for we can choose center mode. That's fine, it's okay. So our header footer done, and go to our check our other pages. So first go to about, contact, then we have our services, teams, testimonials. Contact page, service page, elementor page. Okay, so go to responsive mode to our tablet. Okay, that's okay, that's perfect. Okay, then we can say about is perfect. Now we have contact page, go to our responsive mode. Okay, this one perfect. Yes, now go to our service page and team page testimonials, go to responsive mode and mobile device, and check here. Yes, that is perfectly okay. Then we can teams and testimonials, so go to responsive mode. Here, yes, that's perfect. And if you check here header, just click on menu, this part show here. Okay, and finally our testimonials part, and click here. Okay, that's nice. So our full site is perfectly okay for our mobile device and desktop device. So this is our full project. So hopefully you like it and enjoy it. So you can change your everything as you wish, image, text, or use more feature. So if you like it, please share, subscribe, and stay with me. Thank you very much.